Around 2,000 North Korean troops moving to Russia's border with Ukraine after completing training, reports Kyodo News. Ukrainian military source told this to Kyodo News, marking the first confirmed movement of troops dispatched from Pyongyang. The U.S. government said that at least 3,000 troops from North Korea were sent to Russia earlier this month for training at military bases in the eastern part of the country. North Korean military officers entered Russia's western Kursk region earlier this month as an advance team to prepare for the arrival of soldiers in an area where Ukraine is conducting cross-border attacks. According to the source, the advance team is made up of about 10 officers. In Kursk, the team is believed to be securing a base to accept the North Korean troops, setting up communication networks and checking the safety of the surrounding area. Ukrainian authorities identified the movement of North Korean soldiers through satellite data, intercepted communications and intelligence from within the Russian military. White House National Security spokesman John Kirby confirmed the troop dispatch during a press briefing on Wednesday, saying they were transported by ship between early and mid-October to eastern Russia from North Korea's Wonsan area. The soldiers were brought in via Vladivostok in Russia's Far East, Kirby said, adding it remains unclear whether they would enter combat with the Russian military after concluding their training underway at 3 different sites. Meantime, North Korean military officer defector addressed the soldiers being sent to Russia to invade Ukraine.
조선인민군 병사 동지들, 저는 4군단 포병정찰대대와 청참모부 직서 15격 훈련부서에서 복무했던 이현승입니다. 저는 2004년 6개월간 폭풍군단 여러 동지들과 함께 15소에서 훈련도 같이 했었습니다. 저는 동지들에게 간절한 마음으로 이 메시지를 전달하고자 합니다. 지금 동지들이 참전하고 있는 러시아가 일으킨 우크라이나 전쟁은 반인륜적 전쟁 범죄이며 동지들이 이국 땅 광야에서 목숨을 바쳐 싸울 이유는 전혀 없습니다. 김정은은 동지들의 목숨을 대가로 수천만 달러의 뒷돈을 받고 오직 자신의 안위와 권력만을 추구할 뿐입니다. 동지들이 참여하고 있는 이 전쟁은 정의의 전쟁도 조국보위도 아닙니다. 동지들 자신과 부모 형제를 위한 전쟁은 더더욱 아닙니다. 오직 김정은 한 사람의 사리사욕과 독재 권력을 위한 전쟁 범죄일 뿐입니다. 동지들, 자유를 찾아 세상을 둘러보면 우리가 한평생 김씨 3대 세습에 섞고 살았다는 것을 절실히 깨닫게 될 것입니다. 동지들에게는 다른 선택이 있습니다. 새로운 길이 열려 있습니다. 동지들이 용기를 내어 자유를 선택한다면 더 이상 목숨을 버리지 않아도 되는 세상이 있습니다. 용기가 있는 곳에 희망이 있습니다.
The use of North Korean troops is a serious escalation of the war made by failing Russian military. Now, South Korea's president raised the possibility of supplying Ukraine with weapons as North Korea allegedly sends troops to support Russia's aggression, and this is why they are dragging North Korea into the war.
우리는 대원칙으로서 살상 무기를 직접 공급하지 않는다는 원칙을 가지고 있었는데 그러한 부분에서도 더 유연하게 북한군의 활동 여하에 따라 검토해 나갈 수 있습니다. 우리 두 정상은 북한의 핵 미사일 개발과 도발, 그리고 러시아와의 불법 군사 협력을 강력한 어조로 규탄했습니다. 특히 유엔 헌장과 안보리 결의를 정면으로 위반하는 북한의 러시아 파병은 한반도와 유럽을 넘어 전 세계의 안보를 위협하는 도발이라는 점에 의견을 같이 했습니다.
Wounded Russian soldiers recorded a video from a basement in Toretsk. They complain that they are not being evacuated, their wounds are rotting, and there is no supply of ammunition, medicine, and food. Despite numerous occasions of similar treatment, Russian soldiers continue to obediently follow orders, go on meat assaults, and die. They don't protest against the war.
Hello, we are the soldiers of the 132nd Brigade, currently on the front line in the city of Toretsk. We are in a situation where we need to draw public attention. The soldiers are in critical condition, beginning to rot. There is no evacuation, no supply of essentials, no medicine, and no food delivery either. We just want to show on video, recording our message, the state we are in now, and we ask for someone to address this situation to help us with this issue. We need the evacuation problem solved. We've been at the front for 3 months. This is not okay. They promised us 2 weeks and a rotation for rest, and nothing has happened. One soldier's arm is rotting. There are absolutely no medicines. We find what we can in apartments, as we are stationed in high rises. Another soldier's leg is rotting from shrapnel. Another has a shrapnel and bullet wound. Everything is decaying. A person has a shrapnel lodged in, and the cervical vertebra is oozing pus. We are treating it with whatever we can find. There is also another soldier who was blinded by a grenade explosion. His right eye cannot see at all. He sees only flashes. The left eye, it has shrapnel in it, doesn't open at all. We requested evacuation and nothing. His shoulders are shattered, but we won't show that. We have nothing. We are using whatever was in the first aid kits when we arrived, but everything is running out, and we are asking for some measures to be taken.
The 3rd Border Detachment, also known as Pomsta Brigade, destroyed a T-72 tank and damaged another one. On the Kupiansk front, 5 Russians were eliminated, along with 3 vehicles and 2 BMP-2s. Last night, a Russian ballistic missile strike on Dnipro directly hit a residential building. There were no military objects nearby, and Russia directly targeted the building. A child's arm was torn off. Dnipro mayor. By preliminary information, 1 person died and 4 more were injured as a result of the Russian attack, said the Kyiv mayor. Rescue operation continues.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.